Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the difference between a CZ-P10C that has our compensator installed versus one that's more set up like a carry pistol. So the one with the comp's more like a competition style pistol, full-blown compensator, mag well, mag extension, all those things, but it'll show you the difference in recoil reduction and muzzle rise. This is the CZ-P10 without the compensator. So this is the CZ with the comp. So as you can see, it's noticeably different recoil. Felt recoil is even better. Thanks for watching.